Howdy folks, Ben from Stones with this little inconspicuous product here called the Companion Roam Tap. This is a USB rechargeable tap. There's a little spout that pops up here. Put your glass underneath, you've got running water at the touch of a button. Great for the kids in the campsite so they're not mucking around with clunky jerry cans or taps and wasting water. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. Weighs 260 grams, it measures around about 16 centimeters in height, about 7.5 centimeters like this. And when the spout pops out here, it's around about 15 centimeters in length out this way. So really small, transportable and functional product for the campsite. Now what comes with the kit, you get the tap itself and a stand. The stand's got little suction caps on here, which only really work on really smooth surfaces. There's a bit of a texture to this surface here, so it doesn't stick, but it's got rubbery feet so it doesn't slide around. We'll settle this up shortly, but the hose goes on the bottom here and that sits on there like that so that you can stand it up in the back of your car, on your table, however you like. It's going to sit sturdy. We'll set it all up shortly, it'll make more sense. Now you get an instruction manual. With your kit, you get a USB recharge cable. It takes about 4 hours to charge. It's got a little dial on here, 3 sort of dots that come up when you're charging it that show when it's full. Once it's up to 4 dots, it's full. 1.5 meters of silicone hose that comes with it, and this has got a one end with little Velcro strap just to keep it all together. One end just pushes on, this has all been stored for a while, so this just pushes on the bottom of the tap, which we'll do shortly. The other end's got this attachment here, which will work, makes it compatible with things like, this is a Hydro Pack hydration reservoir like this. It's got this little port here, so this is going to attach in here so we can attach it directly to a reservoir like this to suck water from if we like. Or what I'm going to do today is just drop it straight in the jerry can that's below the table here. Got a little storage bag with it. This has got a little bit of padding in here, elastics or mesh pocket at the top so you can keep your USB cable in there. This fits the tap inside here and then the cable curled up, or probably the cable underneath, the hose underneath, so anything wet stays in the bottom of the bag there. And that's just got a little carry handle on top and a big zipper pull around the side there. All comes in the box there, but there's nothing more in the box. Now to set this up, first thing we want to do is attach the hose to the bottom. So I'm just going to let the hose drop down the side there for the moment. You've got this white section on the bottom here. We're just going to push the silicone hose over here. Now this is just a fairly standard silicone hose. You can replace this if it starts to get slimy or whatever. You can replace this with anything that you find from the hardware shop. Now, you probably want to put it through the base first. So tuck it up through here and then into the bottom here, and then the base will stick like that, and you can put it out the side like that. So that's then sitting, we'll do it sideways like this. Hose comes down the side here, got 1.5 meters here. I've just got a small jerry can here of water just for today's demonstration. I'm just going to tuck that so it sits right down inside the water there, and we've now got a water supply to our tap. Now turning it on, we'll look at the control button on top here first. To unlock it, we hold down on this middle one here. So touch 3 seconds to unlock. If I hold down on this, it will then come up on here and say on. If I want to turn it off completely, hold down and it turns off. So it's a lock function. So right now, nothing can happen. I can't press this, I can't open the tap or anything. If I hold down on this, so it goes on, the buttons are now functional on the side here. To get the tap out, I press this again, the tap pops up. You've now got this little tap sticking up out the side here. This is the outlet here. And it just tucks in to the side there when you're not using it. So when you go to pack it away, press that again, packs away. So up and down like that. You've then got buttons on the side here. This one here scrolls through different settings. So it will turn on as soon as I do this. So what I'll do first is show you the continuous flow function. So this one here just turns on, second press turns it off. You should get water almost straight away. If there's no water coming, it primes the hose and pumps very quickly. About 1300 milliliters, per minute. So the flow rate's really good. This is what, about a 250, 300 ml glass there. And that's filled that up pretty quickly there. Second press on the continuous flow, shuts it off again. Now I'm just going to empty this glass because I want to show you the preset flow buttons as well. I'll empty that water back into a jerry can here, because if you don't want the kids to walk away and maybe forget about it, just teach them to use this button on the side here, because as you press this, it scrolls through different amounts. So I press it, we've got 200, 600, 800, 200, 600. So just keep scrolling through. So if I want to get 200 mil, I'll press that once it flashes. That's just going to give me 200 mil inside the cup there. You notice it comes out at a bit of an angle, so you don't need to put the cup straight underneath it. You can put it to the side. There's a countdown timer on the top there. That's put 200 milliliters into my cup there, and it's shut off. Now I've left that sit for a few seconds because I want to show you that after a minute, that will just close down by itself automatically. So don't leave your cup underneath it, take your cup away. Any second now, that should shut down. That'll just close down so it's not hanging out and in the way. Now it runs for about 45 minutes continuously from a single charge. You've got battery indicator on the top here as well. While we're waiting for that to close down, we'll just show you what's going on here. So you've got 3 lines at the top there. That's just showing nothing's happening. That's the countdown timer, or it says on and off, so there's nothing on there at the moment. Then you've got the 4 underneath. That's the battery charge indicator. So as that gets flatter and flatter, it's going to go back down to this way to 1. There we go. You can see that's closed down now. It still was green on top there, you would have seen, which means it's not locked. It's closed down. To lock that now, we hold down on this and we'll see it'll go to off on top there. That's now in a point that we can't accidentally turn that on. So we can now take the hose off, or wrap the hose around it, take it out of the water supply, pack it back in the bag, and it's ready for transport. Then we get to camp, take it out, unlock it, press the button, set it up again, put it in the water container, and we are good to go. It will work on a bit of an angle. You can see if I tip that on its side, it probably works best flat, but it doesn't have to be dead flat in order for it to work. While that's running, interestingly, on the top here, you'll see this display changes. Nothing really important there, but just thought I'd show you that feature to show that it is running. So it either shows the countdown or that it's just running in continuous mode. So you can see from a glance which button you pressed and what's going on. That's Companion's Roam Tap, a little USB rechargeable tap to have in your campsite to pull from any water source, jerry can, bucket, whatever you like. Really useful option, great for the kids. Just teach them to use this and they're not going to overfill their cup and waste water in your campsite. You can check these out in store and online at Snowy's.